In our previous video, we hosted this one-page simple HTML website to netlify.com, and here is the URL of our web page or website, you can say. I'm gonna copy this, open a new tab in Google Chrome, and in the address bar, I'm gonna write socialsharepreview.com. Hit enter. Then in this text box, I'm gonna paste our website link and click on this arrow icon. So this website shows us that how it will look when someone will post or share our website link. So if someone post or share our website link to Facebook, then it will show the title of our web page and the URL of our web page, but it won't show any picture or image. If someone share this on Twitter or X, it will show only URL, but it won't show any picture. And LinkedIn, it also shows the title and the URL, but there is no image preview. Let me go back to the home page of this website, and here I'm gonna paste a YouTube link. And if I click on the arrow icon, you can see if someone shares a YouTube video link to LinkedIn, it shows the video title, URL, and a video thumbnail or image. In Twitter, it shows the link and image. In Facebook, it shows the title, URL, and picture. Let's say we want that if someone posts or shares our website link, there should be a preview like this one. So how will we do that? So in some of my previous videos, I told you about Open Graph protocol or Open Graph meta tags. So we are gonna create this card kind of shareable link with the help of Open Graph protocol or Open Graph meta tags. That's why I'm gonna minimize the browser, open VS Code, and in the head tag, I'm gonna write the meta tag. I'm gonna write the property attribute, property, the value would be OG, which stands for Open Graph colon title. Then I'm gonna write the content attribute, which will be the value for the OG title. Let's say this is title. I'm gonna write the meta tag again. The property would be OG colon description, and the content would be this is description. Then I'm gonna write the meta tag again, the property attribute, the value would be OG colon URL, and the content would be the domain of our website or web page. So it is https://adilhossain.netlify.app. I'm gonna write the meta tag again, then the property attribute, and it will be OG image, and the content would be an URL of an image or a picture. So I'm gonna paste an URL of a picture. So here is a picture URL. I'm gonna save the file. So we have made some changes in our website. So we have to deploy the website again on netlify.com. So I'm gonna close the VS Code and go to Google Chrome, and in a new tab I will open netlify.com and log in with my account. And here is our web page or website, which is Adil page. I'm gonna click on this. Then you can see an option which is production deploys. Click on this. You can see here we can post an update for our website. So I'm gonna minimize the browser. Here is our website, which is first folder. I'm gonna drag and drop the folder here. You can see it is uploading, and the upload is successful. I'm gonna go to my website and refresh the page. You can see the website is live. Now I'm gonna copy this URL and go to that website, which is socialsharepreview.com, and in the text box I'm gonna paste the link of our website and click on this arrow icon. Now you can see if someone shares our website link, it will show an image preview with the URL, with the page title, and the OG description. So if I open VS Code, minimize this, open Google Chrome, minimize this, you can see the link, which is this. Then you can see the home page, which is the title of our page. Then you can see an image, which is this image. Then you can see a description, which is this is description. So here it is. So whatever you will write here, that will be shown here. And if someone shares our website to LinkedIn, it will look like this. There will be an image, the title, and the URL. For Twitter, we have to modify the meta tags a little bit. You can see still there is no card preview for Twitter and X. We have to modify the meta tags a little bit. You can do that on your own. This is an exercise, you can say, because it is kind of the last video of this HTML course. But let me tell you how will you do that. In Google Chrome, search for all meta tags, then hit enter. Go to this GitHub link and read these meta tags and open graph meta tags. And in this page, you can find how to create Twitter cards with meta tags. So search for Twitter and go through the page. You can see how to create Twitter cards as well. That is okay. I believe you can do this on your own. So let me close the browser, close the VS Code, and it's time for saying goodbye. I will meet you with new courses and new contents soon. So wait for that and keep eyes on this channel. So make sure to subscribe.